to try to demonstrate the versatility of my product. I'm going to restore brick, stone, mortar, and pavers with one product. It's breathable. It does not coat it like a sealer. It soaks into the stone and the mortar and the pavers like water, but it stays inside and restores the original color. It evaporates very quickly. So even though it has a glossy look now, it will evaporate, giving it a natural look. And I'll take that after photo later. Usually you can't do this with stone and brick and pavers all in one thing. And because it soaks in, it goes into the material, it performs a function that's kind of like, it eliminates the efflorescence.